Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about the OnePlus 12 versus Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus launched on September 2023 with the price tag of $999, and the OnePlus 12 launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $700. The dimensions of these devices same. The weight of Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus have 225 gram and the OnePlus 12 have 220 gram. And the build of these devices, the OnePlus 12 and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM support. The display, the OnePlus 12 and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with OLED and AMOLED 1 billion color display. And the screen size of both devices same, 6.82 inches. And the resolution of these devices, the OnePlus 12 comes with 2K screen resolution, and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 1260 by 2720 pixels. The PPI density of OnePlus 12 is 510 and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 440. The refresh rate of these devices is 120Hz in both devices. The screen ratio of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 88.58% and the OnePlus 12 91.3%. The protection, Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with the Huawei Golden Glass 2 and the OnePlus 12 have Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And the screen brightness, the OnePlus 12 come with 4500 nits peak brightness and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 3000 nits peak brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 48 megapixel wide and the 40 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto. It's record 4K 60 fps video. And the OnePlus 12 come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel 64 megapixel periscope telephoto and 48 megapixel ultra wide. And it's record 8K 30 fps video. And the selfie camera, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 13 megapixel plus TOF 3D biometrics and 4K 60 fps video record. And the OnePlus 12 come with 32 megapixel HDR 4K 30 fps video selfie camera. The platform of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with octa-core Titan big CPU and the OnePlus 12 come with octa-core Cortex X4. The chipset of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with Kirin 9000S 7nm processor and the OnePlus 12 come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor. And the GPU of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with Melon 910 and the OnePlus 12 come with Adreno 750. The operating system, the OnePlus 12 come with Android 14 and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with Harmony OS 4.0. The memory, the OnePlus 12 come with 12GB, 16GB and 24GB of RAM and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 16GB of RAM. The internal storage, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 512GB and 1TB of internal storage and the OnePlus 12 come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. And Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus have nano memory card support. The battery of these devices, the OnePlus 12 come with 5400 mAh battery and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 5000 mAh battery. And the charging, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 88 watt fast charging and the OnePlus 12 come with 100 watt fast charging. And the wireless charging in both mobile 50 watt wireless charging. It's also come with 5G network. The commons and the feature of these devices is same, and Huawei have Face ID recognition. The result of these devices, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus got 18 points and the OnePlus 12 got 22 points.